नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों, स्टूडेंट्स। In general knowledge, today we will talk about the topic mentioned at page number 12 of your GK book, Kidwiz. Heading of the page is Tangible Talk. Students, in English language, we use numbers in variety of expressions to create an added effect. प्यारे बच्चों, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में अपने एक्सप्रेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए हम लोग नंबर्स जैसे फर्स्ट, सेकंड, 11th, 1, 2 ऐसे यूज़ करते हैं अपने एक्सप्रेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए। इन दिस पेज वी आर गिवन expressions on the left side of the page, and on the right side we are given the meanings. What we have to do is to match the correct meaning with the expression. The first one, first and foremost, is already done for you. The answer is option C, most important. First and foremost means most important. Second, on second thoughts. जब हम किसी मैटर के ऊपर दोबारा सोचते हैं, then we say on second thoughts. The correct option is F, rethink or review. Next, 3D effect. It means the quality of length, width and depth. Here 3D means three-dimensional, that is length, width and depth. Next, the fourth state. डेमोक्रेसी में हम जिसको चौथा स्तंभ बोलते हैं, that is the press. The fourth state means the press, option G. Next, 5 and dime shop. It means a store that sells cheap goods. The option H is the correct answer. Next, sixth one, sixth sense. It means to have an intuition. जब हमें अचानक से लगता है, अनएक्सपेक्टेड सा हमें आइडिया आता है या कुछ महसूस होता है, then we say in sixth sense means to have an intuition. Next, in seventh heaven. इसके लिए हम हिंदी में भी कहते हैं कि सातवें आसमान पर है उसका दिमाग इस समय। तो जब कोई बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होता है, बहुत अच्छी स्थिति में होता है, तब हम ये एक्सप्रेशन यूज़ करते हैं, इन सेवंथ हेवन। एंड करेक्ट मीनिंग इज ऑप्शन बी, वेरी हैप्पी। नेक्स्ट, behind the 8 ball. When somebody is facing tough situation in life, for it the expression is used behind the 8 ball, means the option D, in a difficult situation. Ninth, dressed up to the nines. When somebody looks very beautiful in a particular dress, we say that dressed up to the nines, means option A, to wear a glamorous clothes. Last, 10 to 1. When there are maximum chances of something happening, we use this expression 10 to 1, means option I, most probably. Now I will explain the meaning of 4 words mentioned at the bottom of your page. Find out. First, a two-faced person. हिंदी में हम जिसे कहते हैं कि एक दोगला इंसान, जिसके अपने बारे में विचार कुछ और हैं, अपने लिए कुछ अलग नियम हैं और दूसरों के लिए अलग हैं, मीन्स धोखेबाज। इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? डिसीटफुल। सेकंड, द फिफ्थ कॉलम, इट रेफर्स टू the person supporting enemies. The fifth column refers to the persons supporting enemies. Third, a 9-day wonder, it means something that creates a feeling of surprise for a very short period. जिसे देखकर हमें कुछ देर के लिए हैरानी सी महसूस हो, उसको बोलते 9-day wonder. Then last, at the 11th hour, when something is done or happens very late, then normally we say at the 11th hour, means very late. So dear students, now today's topic of expressions and their meanings comes to an end. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.